What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Top 5 Tray, where we dive deep into the best gaming gear that can actually change the way you play. And today, we've got something compact, stylish, and seriously powerful in the world of keyboards. I'm talking about the Redragon K617 Fizz 60% wired RGB gaming keyboard. At first glance, it might look small, but trust me, this thing packs a punch way bigger than its size. If you're someone who wants performance, portability, and style all rolled into one, then stick around because this keyboard might just be your new favorite piece of gaming gear. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out. Hit that like button if you're into clean performance breakdowns, subscribe for more no BS tech content. So let's start with the design. The Redragon K617 Fizz is a 60% compact mechanical keyboard, which means it trims down all the unnecessary keys and keeps only the essentials. You're left with 61 keys in a super sleek, minimal frame. This is perfect for gamers who love extra desk space for their mouse, especially if you're playing fast-paced games like FPS shooters, where big mouse movements matter. The smaller size also makes it really easy to carry around, whether you're a student hopping between home and school, a pro gamer traveling for tournaments, or someone who just loves to game anywhere. The portability of this keyboard is one of its biggest wins. Now let's talk about the build and style. This keyboard comes with a gray and white color scheme on the keycaps, which gives it a modern, clean aesthetic that fits almost any setup. And once you turn on that RGB backlighting, things go from simple to stunning. Every key lights up with vibrant RGB colors, and you can customize the patterns to match your vibe, whether you want a calm breathing effect, a wave of colors sweeping across the board, or just a solid single color that matches the rest of your setup. This combination of clean design and customizable lighting makes the K617 Fizz not just a tool, but also a centerpiece for your desk. Performance is where the Redragon K617 really shines. It's built with linear red mechanical switches, which are a dream for gamers. If you're familiar with switches, you know that red switches are all about speed and smoothness. There's no tactile bump like you'd get with blue switches, so you get super fast key presses with less resistance. This is a huge advantage in gaming, where every millisecond counts, like pulling off a clutch headshot in Valorant or landing that final combo in a fighting game. On top of that, linear switches are also quieter, so if you're gaming late at night or working in a shared space, you won't have to worry about the loud, clicky sounds. And while it's clearly made for gaming, this keyboard also works beautifully for typing. The smooth Firefoxes make it comfortable for writing essays, coding, or just daily use on your computer or laptop. Pair that with the compact size, and you've got a versatile keyboard that can handle both work and play without taking up your entire desk. The Redragon K617 Fizz is a wired keyboard, which means you're always getting a reliable, lag-free connection. Unlike wireless options, where you sometimes have to deal with input delay or battery issues, this one just plugs in with USB and you're good to go. No charging, no worries about losing connection mid-game, just pure consistent performance. For competitive gamers, this is huge because the last thing you want is for your keyboard to die in the middle of a ranked match. Another really cool thing is that this keyboard supports ProDriver and software customization. That means you're not just stuck with the default settings. You can go in and remap keys, set up macros, and tweak the RGB lighting exactly how you want it. If you're the type of gamer who likes to bind complex commands to a single key, or if you want to save different profiles for different games, this feature will give you the control you need. Imagine creating one layout for FPS games, another for MMOs, and even one for everyday use, all at the click of a button. That's the kind of flexibility that takes your experience to the next level. And don't forget, the K617 is lightweight but durable. Even though it's compact, it's designed to withstand the wear and tear of serious gaming sessions. The keycaps are built to resist fading, and the switches are tested for long lifespans, so you can rely on this keyboard for years to come. Now let's talk about the real-world benefits. Imagine you're traveling with your gaming laptop and you want to play at a cafe or a friend's house. Most full-size keyboards are just too big and awkward to carry around. But the Redragon K617, it fits in your backpack easily. It plugs in instantly, and you're set to go. Or think about your desk at home. If you're tired of clutter and want that clean, minimalist setup, this keyboard gives you tons of space back without sacrificing performance. Another benefit is for streamers and content creators. The RGB lighting on this keyboard adds to your on-camera presence, giving your setup that extra pop of color that looks amazing on streams. Plus, the compact design means your microphone and camera have less clutter to work around. Even outside of gaming, this keyboard is just fun to use. The smooth key presses make typing less fatiguing, and the travel-friendly design means you don't have to compromise compromise between having a mechanical keyboard and having something portable. Whether you're a gamer, a student, or just someone who loves a clean, stylish setup, the Redragon K617 Fizz is a strong choice. So to wrap it up, here's what you're getting with the Redragon K617 Fizz. A 60% compact mechanical keyboard with 61 keys, wired USB connection for reliable performance, linear red switches for speed and smoothness, customizable RGB backlighting, gray and white keycaps for a modern look, pro driver/software support for remapping and macros, and a lightweight design that's perfect for both home setups and travel. It's a balance of portability, power, and personality that's hard to beat at this price point. If you've been on the hunt for a compact keyboard that doesn't compromise on features, this might just be the one for you. Whether you're grinding ranked matches, writing code, or just want a stylish addition to your desk, the Redragon K617 Fizz delivers in every way.